Hello everyone, how are we all? Hope you're safe and well. Paul79 here. Still recovering from my COVID, so I'm going to take it easy, and I thought I'll do something that's not very strenuous but quite exciting to do with wheels. It's about the wheel centre caps and sort of how I make them a bit more RS like. I can't take credit for this idea. It's my good friend Mark. Hello Mark, how you doing? It was his idea. I did this on the white one, and yeah, I'm going to do it on the new blue one. So I thought I'll do this because it's not very strenuous for me, and yeah. So I'll see you in a bit. So I've done a sort of separate video on wheels, right, where I talk about them, etc, etc. So tune into that one. I'll stick it at the end of this so you can have a look. But yeah, what happens is these are all aftermarket alloys that I've bought because they fit. Don't need any spacers or anything, and they come with the center caps, right? Look very nice, but I want to put the RS logo on them. Now on the real car it has an RS logo. Obviously on the real car it has center locks, but we're not going down that route because I can't afford it. Don't even know if it's even possible, but there you go. So what we're going to do is convert this into an RS one. So that's your standard one, like that. Now what I do, thanks to my good friend Mark, is I buy, you can't really see this here because it's yellow, but what we have here is GT3 RS stickers, right? Now I get them made by there's a company called Decals House, and they do that. I'm just going to get a ruler, and basically what you need to order is ones that are 5 inches long. They sort of make them on the fly, and then what I do is I take just the RS and basically stick it on there like that. Okay, so but what I noticed when I was doing this is on the white car when I did it, these were black, right? But when I stick these on, now I should talk about these. These are just wheel sort of center cap trims from eBay. They're actually, you know, they're very cheap, about £5 for a set. 64 mils they are, right? Because that's the right size. You'd obviously have to get the right size for your caps. But the idea is, yeah, is I'm just gonna stick that on the top, and then layer on the RS badge, and it will be done. But the problem I found with these ones, because my wheels are grey or silver, the caps, the centre caps originally have come are silver as well, which what I noticed is when I stuck that on, you could see silver on the edge. So what I've done is on some of them, I have sprayed them black, just the outside edge. I just stuck some masking tape in the middle, so then when the black sticker goes on, it, you know, it's got something original to stick to as opposed to paint. And yeah, the idea is now I'm going to plop that on there, do the sticker, and it's done. Right, so there you go. Put the metal back on that I'd taken off because I was spraying it, and I've done it. Just not sure about the yellow now because it's the wrong sort of shade of yellow. I mean, I've got them to match the calipers, but it's a very different shade, isn't it? Not too sure whether I'm going to like that. So let me put it in the wheel and see what it looks like. So there we go, it's in the wheel. Not too sure about that, to be fair. It is just the wrong shade of yellow. I mean, it would probably look better when the wheel's black, but yeah, maybe I'll go with a different colour, maybe red. So I'm not going to make the other 4 up. But yeah, that's basically how you do it, right? Very easy. You know, finishes off the car, wheel. So there you go. See you on the next video.